What's going on, everybody? Julian here. Just wanted to do a quick trade recap, and I want to put this out there. Something I'm going to be talking about in Ask a Trader tonight, and that is that I've overcomplicated things the last month and a half, and it's cost me dearly. It wasn't until about a week and a half ago that I got right with my trading strategy and had a WTF moment. The WTF moment was this: why the fuck was I overcomplicating things when I've got a structure that works very, very well? Most people that know my style of trading know that I do pretty well with shorting the market and shorting situations. And for whatever reason, I decided to step away from that, and it really did cost me. And so what I wanted to do last week was I took the entire week off. I didn't do too much trading, and I kind of hit the metaphorical reset button. And today, being Tuesday, I'm happy to report that I got back on track, and I was watching both ATER, which was a mover yesterday, and SPRT, which has been a mover over the last little while. And these are trades that I watched run up over an extended period of time. Now, I know probably better than most people that after the run up comes the dump. Today's movers, tomorrow's losers. And being a trader that takes advantage of these hyper moves that then roll over, I'm taking a contrarian position, and ATER is very, very simple. Now, I was late to the game. I want to show you the thing that really set this off for me, and it was this kind of like changing of the guards, if you will, right through here, where the overall short-term momentum crossed through the longer-term momentum. That's the 200-day simple moving average. Price dumped below that. You can see that we had this nice bear flag that sold out and played out very, very well. And you'll also see that you've got these little situations all the way through here where price action just keeps flagging lower and lower and lower. Now, this is where I was late to the game. It was right through here. But the fact of the matter is, this little bear flag that took out this $12 psychological number moved lower. Options that I had on this, weeklies, 44%. Not bad, not a bad way to get back on track. Now, that's something that I posted in chat for everybody. I've got the charts from pre-breakdown, breakdown, play out, etc. SPRT, no different. Massive run up over the last little while. This is the hype that I love to fuck with to the downside. And you can see right through here, same thing. Crossing of the guards right here. Now, that's not a real trading term. It's just something that I've decided to coin right in this very minute. But what you'll see right through here is, again, we've got that short-term momentum, which is the VWAP. Price action dumps below it, and the VWAP takes out that 200-day simple moving average. So you can see that the average, excuse me, is moving to the downside, and price action keeps bear flagging lower and lower and lower. Now, today, again, I was late to this trade, but it was a very, very simple scalp. What you're going to see here is that the best opportunity for me to have gotten short would have been right through here when this low gets taken out. 200 VWAP, price action, dumps. Did I? No. It bear flagged, moved lower, and it was actually this little bump right through here that rolled over, and I said in chat, this is looking like it might do something. Waiting for the rollover. The rollover came at 1341. Price action has since dumped. I'm still short this trade. SPRT, haven't looked at the options yet. I was only looking for a 10 to maybe 15% gain on the options that I'm trading, but these are weeklies. They're expiring in a few days. Rest assured, I've hammered the shit out of this trade. So I want to tell you that I'm back on track. I'm going to go into detail about this later on today in Ask a Trader. But this is for everybody and anybody that's kind of hit a bit of a rough patch. What I need you to do, what your trading account needs you to do, is to stop everything that's not working and go through your trading journals and go back to a time where everything was working, and understand that that is your step one. That is where future consistency is going to start, by going over those notes of when you were trading very, very well and consistently. Go back to that, remodel what works, and drop all the dead weight that doesn't work. I had to just go through everything and say, okay, this isn't working, that isn't working, this is garbage, this is costing me too much money, and now all I have to do is stop doing those things. And when I took all of the crap out of the equation, what was I left with? The strategy that's been working out for years. Having said that, if you have any questions, julian@jlewistrading.com. And then again tonight, for all of our members, Ask a Trader, 6 o'clock Pacific Standard Time. We're going to go over this stuff in detail, and I'm going to put I'm going to have an upload on ATER and the step-by-step trade on that, and then an upload on SPRT and a step-by-step walkthrough on how I traded this, where I found it, so on and so forth. Any questions, Julian at jlewisTrading.com.